What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over a day trading recap along with a review of the Webull desktop platform and a live trade on it. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. We're going to try to make it a quick one. I got a lot to unpack here. So I have a trade. Well, I have a trade I would have taken on TGC. It was front and center. I tweeted out this morning on my watch list. It was the first one I was watching, TGC. Just 10 million in float stock, had news about a merger, and was gapping up nicely and was holding some key levels. And I really liked it, but I had a little problem here, and I'll explain to you what it was and why I couldn't take advantage of it. I did click the buy button to get my starter entry going, and it just didn't work out. Then I went to trade it on a different platform, and I didn't catch a fill because it didn't dip enough for me. I was waiting for it at $3.10. It tapped, I think, 318 or 313, something like that, and then it just took on off. Went all the way up to like what was a high day on this thing? It was 430. So it would have been a real nice trade there. Nonetheless, sitting here just monitoring my swing trade, I have that we're going to go over. So we're going to go over TJC, we're going to go over my swing trade, and we're going to go over one live trade I took on the Webull desktop platform. It's actually the platform you download to your computer and you trade off of for Webull. So it's kind of like, trading on Street Smart's Edge, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and jump right on into this right now. Okay, guys, so here we are. First things first, let's go over the swing trade. Because the swing trade is the reason why this happened to me today. See, my regular day trading account, my margin account, it's a little bit over $30,000 that I've been trading with lately. I've drafted some money out from the summer, and I wanted to partake in GME swing trade, but I wanted to put the money in my cash account. So I did a transfer from my bank account to my cash account, but it was going to take days for the money to be available to trade, which sucked. So I did it anyways. I transferred, I think it was $14,000 to that account, but it took forever to get there. And by the time I got there, GME, I wasn't sure where it would be. That rhymes. Why do I always do that? That wasn't on purpose. So anyways, the money wasn't going to be there in time for me to enter the trade when I wanted to. So I drafted $13,800, basically $14,000 out of my margin account into my cash account. So that allowed me to purchase what you see here, 1,000 shares at $13.79 of GME. But then that left my margin account, which I use every single day, at a little deficit, which messed things up because now it wouldn't let me today to day trade. I went to go buy. Now we jump into the TGC trade that I tried to take, TGC right here. Let's go over to the 3-minute chart. It's so frustrating. Here's first of all, here's my analysis on it. I had these lines pre-drawn. It was holding this level right here, this like 250, 245 level. It was holding it beautifully. And where do I get that level from? Just come on over to the daily and we'll scroll back some. And here we go. We got this top right here. We have a little bit more structure right here, right here, this drop. So all that is this I don't know if you can see the line there, but there's a line there, which is the same one I just showed you, which is that 240, 245 area, okay? So it was holding that, right here after this drop, like it popped and dropped and was just holding it so beautifully. And I went to go take a starter position, in one of these two candles, just 250 share starters. My add to full size was going to be over VWAP, and I was going to add 750 shares probably around here. And I was going to look for the red to green move, take some profit off right up here in front of $4, and hold on to the rest to see if we got to push over $4. We had plenty of room. So when I clicked buy, it told me, that I could buy the position, but I would have to close it out tomorrow because I had drafted out money and put it in my cash account for the swing trade. And the money is not settled. They have it on hold at Charles Schwab, and I can't transfer it over to my margin account to, just get back to my regular balance, which is a little bit over $30,000. I should have just taken the swing trade in my margin account and just kept it on. But I don't like to have my swing trades in the margin account because when I do my day trade recaps, it's there, it's in the way. You know what I'm saying? So I don't like to do that. So just frustrating, very, very frustrating. And I missed out on that. So then when that happened, I closed out my Street Smart Edge and I opened up my Webull account and I went to go take a trade on this, waiting for a pullback. We got a pullback here to VWAP at 312. I was sitting at 310 on the bid, at 310 by like 2 or 3 pennies. I did not get my fill and we just ripped to new highs. Frustrating morning for me there. Nonetheless, I didn't let it bother me. So we're going to go over the live trade on Webull that I did take yesterday and after hours because I want to show you guys the platform in action. GME is doing great. I wanted to just keep doing exactly what it's doing. It's doing a beautiful job of just consolidating. Look at that. It's just consolidating so beautifully. Real nice pattern going on here. Once we break over 15, I think this thing is gone. So this could be a very big winner. I'm going to be very patient. That money can sit there all at once. It wasn't doing anything in my bank account anyways. And on Friday, my account will be back to normal so I can trade again on it. So let's go ahead and bring up the video of yesterday's recording on the Webull desktop platform. Now the Webull desktop platform is you can get it. It's free. You can get it on the Webull app. Just download Webull. So link in the description section below. If you go to Webull right now, to my link, you download the app, you fund your account with $100, you're going to get 2 free stocks. I believe, let me check right now because I believe that there is an extra little benefit going on now where you're going to get 3 free stocks. Let me double check that. Give me 1 second here. And we're not even going to edit out so that you can see that I'm really doing this for you right now. Okay, so yeah, starting today, this is awesome. So starting today, you just download the app and you open an account and you're going to get 1 free stock and it's going to be valued between $2.50 up to $250. That's not bad. But then on top of that, if you throw in $100 in the account, once that deposit settles, you're going to get 2 more free stocks, and those are going to be valued between $800 to $1,600. That's 3 free stocks, guys, and that special is going to end on October 30th, so you have to take advantage of that. So let's go ahead and jump into the Webull video right here so you can see the platform in action. So let's see. We're going to go ahead and open this up a little bit for you. And this is WEI. I missed the train on WEI yesterday because, like I said, it was a very busy day. I was working on some projects that I'm going to unveil towards towards the end of next month and into December. And you guys are really going to like it. So working on that stuff. And after the morning session, I just took off to do that and didn't really realize WE went to the moon and back. So I actually caught a little trade on it. And after hours, and it was just a little trade to test it out. We had this huge push up to $10.14. It pulled all the way back in here to this previous little like resistance area. Okay, so I jumped in front of that, just 100 shares. I really wanted a couple hundred. The reason I don't go in full size on this is because first of all, it's after hours. Second of all, I haven't traded on this platform. And I don't know really how it all works. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to just keep things safe here, just 100 shares, maybe a couple hundred if I get a little dip into the area again, and we'll go from there. But I'm in 100 shares at a cost basis of $7.56. This trade took 8 minutes to develop, so we'll go ahead and fast forward a little bit. Well, as I show you here, this is your level 2. This is your time in sales. This is just like, part of the order book where you can see a little line graph. I don't know. I don't really use that. You see up here, let me make this a little smaller so you can see that. You can see up here the price where it closed at, which was, I'm guessing, right? 513. Is that where it closed? No, doesn't look like that's the price where it closed. So I really don't know what that 513 is. That's weird. But WEI did go up 900% yesterday, so that was amazing to see. And I'm in this trade here, just 100 shares, just to show you the platform. That's all. And it's a little win. It's a little win. I was looking for a break up over $8 because I figured we get a move to 830. I took profits off up there. Let's fast forward this just a tad more. It's pretty good. It's pretty robust. I'm going to show you another clip. I think I might have it here. Well, I thought I had a clip. I thought I had a clip here of the Webull platform this morning, but I guess not. I'll try to take one tomorrow for you guys so you could just see how it moves. because it's moving very slowly because it's after hours. Now we get a push up here, and we're looking to break over $8, and I start getting ready to put a profit target out. We get the break over $8 right there. I put out my order to sell, just 100 shares at $8.19. And there you see it right there on the chart. It gets filled, and I was out. Quick little 63 bucks. Not bad, right? It's only day trade I took yesterday. It does go up to 8:30, then it rejects, comes back down, and this thing ends up getting halted in after hours and absolutely demolished in the pre-market session today. So that was it. I'm not going to tell you that I'm going to be switching over to Webull because for my main day trading stuff, that's just not going to happen. But if you're looking for a broker like Webull, then the desktop platform is actually pretty impressive. So you might want to check that out. And if not, you get 3 free stocks, like I said. So download the app, fund the account with 100 bucks, and you're good to go. Any questions, let me know. Drop them in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload these videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.